Welcome to our journey through the world of loops in JavaScript. Loops allow us to execute a set of statements repeatedly, making them an essential tool for any programmer. Let's start with the for loop. This loop is used to iterate over a sequence, such as an array or a string. Next, let's explore the while loop. This loop continues to execute as long as a specified condition is true. Finally, let's look at the do while loop. This loop ensures that the loop body is executed at least once. Now that we've covered each type of loop, let's compare their usage scenarios and decide which one to use. Let's see how loops are used in a real-world scenario, such as iterating over an array of numbers to calculate their sum. When working with loops, it's essential to avoid common mistakes like infinite loops or incorrect loop termination. To write efficient and readable loops, follow these best practices. Use meaningful variable names, keep loop bodies concise, and consider using labeled loops for complex scenarios. Let's recap the key concepts covered in this tutorial for loops, while loops, do while loops, and their usage scenarios. To continue learning about loops, try practicing with real-world scenarios, exploring more advanced loop techniques, or reading documentation on the official JavaScript language specifications. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the world of loops in JavaScript. Remember to practice regularly, experiment with different loop types, and always keep learning.